when you want to invest all your hard-earned money into something precious like diamond. You don't want to get cheated, right? Hello everyone, my name is Mausam Shah and today I'm going to give you quick 5 methods to check whether your diamond is real or not. If you want to know, let's hop. Tip number 1 is you need to take sandpaper and place your stone upon that and rub it thoroughly. If it is fake diamond, you will see mark all over the surface, and if the diamond is real, it won't get affected by it. But I suggest that you guys don't do that because it is quite a harsh method and there is every possibility of you being damaging the cullet. Second method is placing your stone under the direct sunlight, wherein all you got to do is place your stone under sunlight. If you see stone reflect rainbowish light, there is high probability that it's fake diamond because diamond generally reflects light which is colorless. This is third method and I'll call it newspaper method. What you got to do is take the newspaper and place your stone upon that. After placing stone over newspaper, you will notice one thing, that is you can't read through that stone. But if diamond is fake, you can see through it and spot the difference. Fourth method, which I called a fog technique, wherein all you got to do is blow your diamond and it will have fog all over the stone. If it lasts for 4 seconds or more, then it's fake diamond, as real diamond clears fog very quickly due to its chemical and physical properties. And this is fifth method, wherein you need to heat your diamond for at least 30 seconds. After you heated your diamond for 30 seconds, quickly put that diamond into cold water. Real diamond will remain as it is and you will see fake diamond will get destroyed. That's all for today. Hope you guys liked it, and if there is anything, let us know in the comment section and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.